Okay, would you look at that? It's already making bubbles. Yeah, I think this is when I'll pour it. That dark orange color on the side. It's our turmeric soap. Kaze everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuned in for the first time, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can help support my YouTube channel so I can bring more videos like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna make a turmeric soap from scratch at home using all natural ingredients, so stay tuned to watch that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We got our lye water and oil. Our oil has, let me show you guys. Gotta put on my gloves. So our oil has shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. That's our base, and that's always been our base, and it's always going to be our base. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the mixture. We got our blender and we got our lye, so we're gonna go ahead and mix our lye water. And we're also gonna make coffee soap that has peppermint and lemon essential oil from the same batter that we're using. I'm actually gonna, I don't need this. Okay, I'll keep it here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this for a little bit, then I'll transfer it later. Okay, would you look at that? It's already making bubbles. And we haven't even really started, so that is something. I don't want to pour it. Yeah, I think this is when I'll pour it. That's already separated for that. So we're gonna go ahead and add our essential oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're gonna add the turmeric to our batter. This is how it will look like after it's cured. So pure all turmeric, and I also have the half and half. So we're trying to finish up this one, but it's definitely not gonna be the same color as the one that I'm holding right now. Like, it's not gonna be this bright dark yellow like my headscarf. Let's go ahead and add our turmeric. Turmeric is very strong, so this is like a 8 9-pound batter. Actually, it's like 11 pounds. You see how like it turns that dark orange color on the side? Let me point it. This color right here, that's what it's gonna look like. It's not gonna look like this bright yellow. Just letting y'all know. Let's go ahead and mix it. Ooh. We gotta get the bottom, because you see how it's like light and it gets dark lighter on the bottom, so let's add more for the bottom cool. Let's go ahead and get that. Trying to get the side here. Nice turmeric. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pour it into the mold. Like this. Put it in our mold. Okay, here it is. Okay, we're gonna pour it into our mold. Let's put this right here. Okay. Okay. Our turmeric soap all done. We got our coffee soap right here. These are our massage bars. This is a regular bar. Okay, so we're all done. We cleaned our spot. I like to clean right after I make the soaps. Well, thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Go ahead and hit the like button so I know that you like this video. Also, I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.